finished Whittaker 5 kingdom classification. In this video we are going to start with Monera. Here monos means single. So all those organisms which are prokaryotes comes under Monera. They are typically unicellular organisms. The genetical material in these organisms is naked circular DNA and nuclear envelope is absent. So these are some of the features that we are discussing about. So first, with Whittaker kingdom we have started Monera, where Monera means single. The predominant mode of nutrition is absorptive, means they absorb the thing and take their nutrition, but some of them are photosynthetic or chemosynthetic. That means they prepare their food in the presence of sunlight, so they are called as photosynthetic, or by using some chemicals, so they are known as chemosynthetic, such as blue-green algae, photosynthetic, methanogen bacteria, chemosynthetic. The organisms are non-motile, that means they cannot move from one place to another. If they want to move, either they move by help of simple flagella, or by simple beating the flagella, or by gliding. If we come to the structure of generally in Moneras, the bacteria are the sole members of kingdom Monera. Let us see the structure of bacteria. So the first structure of bacteria is coccus. This is the first structure of the bacteria is coccus. In coccus, the shape of the bacteria is generally circular. They can be monococcus, that means one circle. They can be dicoccus or diplococcus, tricoccus, that means three. So this is the first structure of bacteria of kingdom Monera. Second is structure is vibrio. In this structure, that is, they are small and comma or kidney-like structure. They have flagella at one end and are also motile. So such a type of structure you can see. This type of structure of a bacteria, and here they have flagella at one end, so they are just comma-like. The third structure is bacilli. They are rod shape. They are rod shape structure, and they may or may not have flagella. So they can also be monococcus, diplococcus, triplococcus, or multiple. Next is spirillum. Spirillum means their structure is spiral or coiled. The spiral forms are usually rigid and bear two or more flagella at one end or at both the ends. So this type of structure. So they have flagella either at one end or they can have at both the ends. So these are the four structures on the basis of shape. The bacteria are classified into coccus, vibrio, bacilli, or spirillum. Now let us discuss about the mode of nutrition. So before seeing the mode of nutrition, let us see the structure of bacteria. So in the blackboard you can see the diagram of bacteria. The outermost wall of bacteria is called as capsule. So large number of bacteria consist of capsule. A slimy capsule is present outside the cell wall. It is composed of polysaccharide and nitrogenous substance. So this capsule is made up of polysaccharides and nitrogenous substance. This line layer becomes thick and then it is called as capsule. The second layer you can see over here, the second layer after capsule is cell wall. All the bacterial cells are covered by strong rigid cell wall. It is inner to the capsule and it is made up of polysaccharides, proteins and lipids. So this cell wall is also made up of polysaccharides, protein and lipid, and it is present just inside the capsule. The third layer is called as plasma membrane. You can see over here in the diagram, the third layer of the bacteria cell is called as plasma membrane, and this plasma membrane is selectively permeable membrane. You know what is the meaning of selectively permeable. Inside this plasma membrane consists of a thick fluid which is called as cytoplasm. So this is the cytoplasm inside the plasma membrane. This cytoplasm is aqueous fluid or semi-fluid. It contains vitamins, salts, enzymes, carbohydrate, lipids, nucleic acids, etc. Inside this plasma membrane there is a naked genetic material, that is DNA, which is called as nucleoid, and it also consists of a round circular DNA which is called as plasmid. This DNA is double helix structure. For the locomotion, it consists of a long thread like structure which is called as flagella. So for the movement, it helps to move bacteria from one place to another, and a small rod shaped structure which is called as pili. So this is the structure of a prokaryotic bacterial cell. Thank you.